Have you ever wondered how glass is made? Join us as we explore the fascinating journey of glass, from sand to pane.
Hi, I'm No Logic, and today we're diving into the detailed process of how glass is made. Let's get started.
Glass starts its life as a mixture of raw materials. The primary ingredient is silica sand, which is combined with soda ash and limestone. Silica sand provides the glass-forming silicon dioxide, while soda ash lowers the melting point, and limestone adds durability and chemical resistance. These raw materials are carefully measured and mixed before being transported to a furnace. The furnace operates at extremely high temperatures, around 1,700 degrees Celsius or 3,090 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside the furnace, the raw materials melt together to form a molten glass mixture. This process can take several hours to ensure everything is thoroughly melted and homogenized. Once the glass is molten, it can be formed into various shapes. One common method for making flat glass is the float glass process. In this process, the molten glass is poured onto a bed of molten tin where it spreads out to form a perfectly flat and uniform sheet. The glass then moves through a controlled cooling process called annealing. Annealing is a crucial step that slowly cools the glass to relieve internal stresses, making it more stable and less prone to breaking. After annealing, the glass is cut to the desired size using diamond-tipped cutters. This step is precise and ensures that each piece of glass meets specific dimensions. Depending on its intended use, glass can undergo various special treatments. It can be tempered for added strength, laminated for safety, or coated to enhance properties like insulation or reflectivity. Tempered glass is heated and then rapidly cooled to increase its strength. Laminated glass has a layer of plastic between two layers of glass, making it shatter-resistant. Coated glass can have reflective or low emissivity coatings applied for energy efficiency. Quality control is essential in the glass-making process. Each piece of glass is inspected for defects and imperfections to ensure it meets high standards. Once the glass passes inspection, it's carefully packaged to prevent damage during transportation. It's now ready to be shipped to manufacturers and builders around the world.
And there you have it, from sand to pane, the amazing process of making glass. We hope you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching.